Hey friends, Dave Crosby here, co-founder of Wyze. Today we are unboxing the Wyze Solar Cam Pan. One of the greatest products we have made in years. We have completely rebuilt our battery platform from the ground up. We've taken all of the experience we have with 3 other iterations of battery cameras, put it into this one camera, a camera that you barely have to touch. You set it and forget it. I've been using them around my own house for the last couple months, and it might be the best Wyze cam we've ever built. We're gonna unbox this thing today and show you everything inside and everything that comes with it. Let's do this. In the box, you first have, of course, if you bought this camera early, you get your nice little backing sticker. Everybody wants one of these, huge collectible. Of course, every camera comes with a nice, beautiful quick start guide. We have a mounting bracket guide, and then we have introducing Wyze Solar Cam Pan. Nice and satisfying. Check out this beauty. This camera is so awesome. It's got a very unique design. So it's got this big booty out here. We designed this for our predominantly male audience. Cut that out. A lot of battery cameras you see kind of look big and bulky. We designed this, patented this design to make it look nice and clean, even though it's got this massive battery. This battery is bigger than our previous models, so it's gonna give you much longer battery life, and it enables the camera to do a lot of cool things like pan and tilt. So this is a pan and tilt camera. It can pan 360 degrees, back and forth. It can also tilt 70 degrees. We have the things to attach the solar panel, USB, screws, there we go. This is the mounting bracket. I got one right here, so we're gonna go with this one from now on. Look at this nice, satisfying snap. Bam. All right, so the camera sits like that, and it's gonna hang and just keep an eye on all the stuff around your house. The sun in space, 27 million degrees, is gonna shoot its beautiful rays down to the earth, down to your house, and power your camera. My battery has never needed to be recharged. It's like 100% all the time. So if it works in Seattle, where we don't get a whole lot of sunlight, it should work incredibly well for you. Let's mount the solar panel on top here. Little screws out, you're gonna need these little guys. Check out these little 2 guys, I don't know if you can even see them, they're tiny. Get this piece, and you're gonna mount it right on top. Get your screwdriver, put these tiny little screws in there to get the solar panel on. Oh my gosh, my hands are so shaky, I'd be the worst doctor. Okay, once that's on there, you're going to take this little piece, put it up through the other one, and then you're gonna screw it right down on top of the camera. The last thing in the box is, of course, the solar panel. 1 hour of sunlight. 1 hour of sunlight is enough to keep your camera running all day long and all night long. On the bottom of the solar panel, you'll see this nice little winding spool. Wind up all your extra slack. Twist this guy right on the top, plug in the solar panel, and snap that thing back in. So in some scenarios, you may mount your camera right underneath the eave of a house or somewhere that's a little shadowy. Take off the solar panel. I actually route mine through the drain pipe. The camera hangs out underneath the eave. This thing goes through the drain pipe and then allows the solar panel to sit right on top of the roof. And then you can attach it from far away. Bam, we're powered with the sun from far away. This thing comes with so many cool features. Underneath there, you can throw in an SD card. And so for the first time ever, a Wyze battery cam can do continuous recording. Now, it's not gonna work with the solar panel or with the battery, but you can actually plug in into the spot back here and you can power the camera with a plug in the wall if you want to do continuous recording to an SD card. The rain or snow is not gonna bother this thing in almost all scenarios unless it's just crazy torrential downpour. It comes with an IP65 weatherproof rating. It also has incredible AI features. So it has AI person tracking. So if a person comes by your house, the panning will follow the person. If you have Cam Plus or Cam Unlimited, we have all sorts of amazing AI, including our new descriptive alerts, which is the coolest piece of software we've ever launched at Wyze. This camera can tell you exactly what's happening in front of your house. It'll describe scenes in incredible detail. You'll be shocked. Give it a shot. This camera has color night vision, so it sees incredibly well in the dark. You just need a tiny bit of light and it will light up the entire darkness from a street lamp or from your porch light, or this camera has a built-in spotlight. So if you don't have another light source nearby, this thing can turn on and light up the night so this thing can see in the dark without having to turn on the IR. But speaking of IR, it actually has upgraded IR as well. So if you want to turn on the IR kind of black and white night vision, that is much better than in previous cameras as well. The spotlight is motion activated, so if someone walks by, the spotlight can light up. It It also has a siren, so it can scare people away. So let's jump into the app, let's set it up, and let's walk you through the different features inside of the app. It's got a button underneath that says setup. You just want to push that button, hold it down for a few seconds until you hear it say, light blinks.
Ready to connect.
You're gonna go into your Wyze app, you're gonna hit this little plus button in the top corner, you're gonna add device, then you're gonna begin your setup. So it said ready to connect, hit next. It's gonna search for your device through Bluetooth. Bam, found it. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter your password.
Connecting to network. Wi-Fi connected.
Bam.
Setup complete.
As easy as that. All right, hit next, and then it's gonna give you a little installation guide here in the app. I'm gonna skip that for now, since we're just doing it here in the studio. It's gonna show you how to do waypoints, gives you tips on how to get the best notifications and that kind of thing. You wanna follow these tips inside the app as you set it up. Give it a name. I'm gonna skip the end of the setup, but you can share a device with friends. You can set up some automations. I'll do that later. And I'm all done. Ready to rock. I'm gonna start the live stream. I'm gonna go over to my pan control, and so I can move the camera around and check out what's going on here. Say hello to Silas and Garrett back there. Hey guys. Look around the room here, our sound booth, some computers, and then I can tilt it down, tilt it back up. And there you have it, a pan and tilt battery camera. This thing is just awesome. I can do this all day long. The other settings you see here are gonna be very similar to other Wyze cams. You have your SD card. I don't have an SD card in there right now, but you can access the footage for that. You can take a photo, like I just snapped a photo of Garrett with the camera there. You can record a video. Now I'm recording him as he's recording me. We got very much a meta thing going on here. I'm gonna stop that. If I wanna play the siren, everyone plug your ears, this thing's gonna be loud. That's gonna scare away the intruders sneaking around your house at night. You can start tracking people as they run around your house. 360 scan, if you just wanted to scan everything around the house, it'll just kind of look around for you. Now I'm gonna do that again with a tracked person and see what happens. It's following him. You can't get away from it. It knows where you are. I love it. Okay, if you've taken some pictures and videos, you can hit your album, go check out all the videos and stuff you've taken, click your events, and now you can scroll through and kind of see what the camera's captured for you over the last few hours, days, weeks. That is it for the Wyze Solar Pan Cam. Seriously, one of the coolest cameras we've ever made. I think you guys are gonna love this one. We tried to just make this whole thing an incredible experience for users. We wanna make great technology accessible to everyone. We hope you love it, and we'll catch you on the next one. We'll see ya.